If I bend it quickly, which one require more energy?
Quickly.
Yep, there you go. So that is strain rate effect. Does that answer your question?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
So
you.
it's the rate of how fast you're going to deform the material.
Is there a value for corrosion resistance?
Say it again.
Is there a value like similar to these for a material's corrosion resistance if you wanted
No. I mean, for mechanical properties like this, no.
Okay.
Okay. I did not. I'm not dealing with. We're not dealing. These properties over here will not tell you about corrosion resistance, but the chemical composition can. Okay. Right. So let's look at this part now. So you can see the car down here, right? So we're going to look at the rear side bumper.
Hey Eugene, can we take a break soon?
Can I have 10 more minutes of your time? Is that okay?
You can take all the time.
Okay, 10 more minutes, okay? Stop
Okay.
opening up your beer. I'm not bothered, okay?
You still owe me a beer from 3A.
I know. To enjoy this course, okay, do not take this course when you are sober, okay? You have to be drunk, okay?
You owe me. You owe me.
When I see you, okay, I owe a lot of people.
You'll know my
beer,
face.
okay? Rear side pillar. Okay, the rear side pillar. So the rear side pillar, the purpose is to absorb, right? Absorb the impact energy. Okay. Must protect the rear passenger okay, must protect the rear passenger and the gas tank. Now, I'm not talking about electric vehicle, okay? You can see how it will change if it's electric vehicle now, right? If it's electric vehicle, you don't need the gas tank and you don't need to protect the gas tank. But you have to protect the human being, the Homo sapien. Okay, now question for you. What material will you choose?
Are we going to go with Trip 800?
Why? Because we've done this, and then Trip is the best next. What's the reason?
My reasoning behind it is that it has a relatively high C value, so that way it'll be able to absorb energy, but it also has high A and B value, so it'll be able to protect the passenger as well. So
Well
it'll resist
done,
against
okay.
deformation.
But well, the C value is even lower than AISI 1045, right? But why is it okay?
Because it'll deform less than AISI 1045, so you have to pick up a trade-off, one or the other.
But why the strain rate is not going to be a great concern now? Why the front the strain rate is, the back is not?
Is it because you get rear-ended by another car? The other car is the one that's taking the
yeah,
the coastal zone's getting utilized from the other car.
Yeah, absolutely. So what he's saying is this, okay? So if this is the velocity direction, right? So if this is the car, right? If this is the car, so this is the front, and this is the rear, and this is the front, and this is the rear of the car. So this is Uzbor. No, Uzbor. This is dual phase. This is trip. And the car behind you, hopefully it has dual phase at the front. And then at the rear, it has a what? It has trip, right? So the front of the car, right, is designed to, it was meant to design to hold more, absorb more energy upon impact when compared to the rear. Okay, if we use dual phase steel, it will not protect, it will not restrict the deformation weight, right? The deformation will go to the rear passenger. Okay, so you guys are absolutely right. So we're going to use strip steel. Give me 5 more minutes, okay? Use strip 800. Okay, this is because we have very high B. It's equal to 2.2153 megapascal. It still can deform and absorb energy, yeah? And N is equal to 0.66. Okay. So its strain hardens very high because it will reduce what? Reduce the plastic strain upon impact. Okay, upon impact. Okay. Now the next question is like what was said before. Why, when C is equal to 0.014, is okay, right? We say this is okay. This is because the car at the rear the car at the rear will have dual phase steel. Okay, we'll have dual phase steel. Okay, we'll have dual phase steel 600 on its front side member. What is the other reason that the rear side member can have C equal to 0.014 is also okay? What is the other reason besides this one?
Is it because you're able to take more energy from the back? That sounds bad, but like you can, you know what I mean? Like because the seat, well, like you're not going out away from the seat, so you're not going to fight for the window.
I'm going to stop you there. Okay. So
Yeah.
What if you reverse your car? No one hit you from behind. You reverse your car, right? When you reverse your car into a wall, is there dual phase steel on the wall? The answer is no, right? But why is it okay still?
Is it because of the speed you're going?
Yeah.
Slow?
What is the maximum speed that you can reverse your car? Anyone? How fast you can
30?
reverse your car? Huh?
30 kilometers an hour?
There you go. Okay. And it's okay. The other reason is reverse speed is limited to 40 to 60 kilometers per hour. If you are robbing a bank, okay, this is important to know, okay, when you reverse your car. Okay. Now, can you all see how your mind switch by looking at this value? If you are a manufacturing engineer, what you look for? We just gone through an hour exercise where now you become a what? A mechanical engineering designer. Your mind switch again, okay? Not only it helps you choose the right type of material by looking at the mechanical properties, right? It also will dictate how much money you can make in terms of productivity, in terms of design, okay? Probably next week, I'll talk to you about 3 case studies that I've implemented in industry. How I use this data together with chemical composition, together with material science. Okay, how we do optimization. Okay, go for a break. We come back at 8:15. Okay, we come back 8:15 and we carry on.